So there's a lady who decided to do something special for Thando. People really do care and love Thando. Unfortunately, she doesn't say that. Anyway, guys, let's get started today. You know, the result of house is welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, we know that people were very disappointed by the previous episode. It's Ngane Lengane season 7 episode 20, where Siyacela was shouting, insulting Thando, guys, and people were like, we're not gonna watch this show anymore, guys. We are tired. We want Thando to get out of this marriage, but we knowing Thando very well, she's not gonna leave. This lady, she's a makeup artist, Mangwane. She did a face beat and also install a wig with Thando, guys. Thando, she's so pretty. You can see here she looks like Coco's Cotton. You will think it's Coco's Cotton, this one. So guys, the people are saying, hi man Thando, where are you? But it seems like Thando, she's still Kwadlamoga, guys, staying there, begezeling. She seems like she does not gonna go. Marriage is a beautiful thing. The problem is when you are not being loved correctly, guys, you end up looking very old. Thando, she's very young, guys. Thando, she's 21 years old. Una 21 Thando, he's 22 years old. You can see these people are still very young. They need to love each other and appreciate each other. But Usiakela seems like he doesn't even care about Thando. So people are saying what I about Thando umonhle, but some are saying umonhle mahala. There's nothing we can do for you. Let's just let Thando be Thando, guys, and just begazela kule marriage yake. At the end of the day, it is up to her. If she wants to leave, she will tell us. So guys, it is what it is. So thanks to this lady, guys, for deciding to do something special for Thando. I know it might not be a big thing, but at least the guys, she did her best there. Anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section what do you think about it. Say, don't forget to subscribe.